Hakawin na kisin jam ban ay mensim. Ban penkubor ban kerja ni kisamla ki bawanra ki jengkela. Arngut ki brio ki bejublian ban yarap ki brio ki bedon kam ke jengarap. Kata inong syam ya ke Impulse NGO Network ikong hasina karbi ban unong ya kun ban penne ke Mariang u Carlos Navarro Martinez. Kleis no ktilang hapo commission bala ay Kyrteng ke journey with purpose. Ikong hasina but Martinez kin penlong ya ke jingya lenti kindai ski na shalong meglaya shadu shapukra Nepal. Hakabau Martinez u yakun ban penyo ya ke jing bishar ka bahok hakabai day bat kasun beneng but ikong hasina I kampai kemat syaka jing pet shnong ka bamlong shngai. Kini ki arngut ki lakin turu ye ki to ki badon ke jing sotanat ben shim bentalang ha kani ke jing ya lenti. Hakabai day bat kani ke Royal Enfield but arngut ki nong nya tuk. Kila shim bentalang ha kani kata masai ya ka
how they can challenge our whole ecosystem and how these innovation can actually lead to furtherization of climate impact as well as how they can reduce migration issue is leading to human trafficking based on the experiences because these are so correlated to each other. I'm so glad that Royal Enfield is on board in this journey and I think we have these two amazing riders to come and join all of you and how Catholic philanthropists can actually change the whole ecosystem of what we believe can really take place.